Welcome to the video demonstration of Torde Museum developed by myself Santosh Ravi and Ankit Kalwar. This project is done as part of CS 548 Information Integration on the Web coursework. The motivation behind the project is, suppose you come across an artwork about battle in a museum collection and want to see similar battle related artworks. What will you do? You could do a faceted search using battle keyword, which will return the artworks matching battle in either title or description. However, you will not get results of artworks containing war or fight in their title or description, even though they belong to similar battle theme. Our aim is to semantically classify the artworks and cluster them across the museums. Let's look at the application. This is the home screen of our app Today Museum. We have classified the artworks from three different museums: Los Angeles County Museum of Art, Detroit Institute of Arts, and the Art Institute of Chicago. On clicking the museum, it will display all the artworks of American and European in a slideshow manner. On the right hand side, you could see the information about the artwork extracted from museum website and DBpedia. You could also notice the classifier label in some of the artworks. We have classified the artworks by applying data extraction and natural language processing techniques. On clicking the classifier label, we show the artworks in these museums in a graph visualization layout. Here, the center node being the classifier label, battle, and all other blue nodes represent the museum. So, when the user clicks on one of the artwork, it will show a model view of an artwork information with the details. Similarly, we have also classified the artworks based on themes such as scenery and still life. Let's have a look at the scenery example. On clicking the scenery classifier label, we show the same graph visualization layout with the artworks belonging to the different museums. Let's have a look at other museum. I'll choose Art Institute of Chicago. Apart from classification, we have also clustered the artworks based on artist name, painted year, and medium. Let me search for artist Augustus. So, on searching, our application will return all the artworks done by artist Augustus from the selected museum. On clicking this link, you could also see the artworks done by artist Augustus from other museums. So the visualization remains same. These are the artworks done by artist Augustus. So for painted year, we'll have looked for the artworks done at year 1880. These are the artworks done at the year 1880 across these museums. Finally, we'll look at the artworks made up of bronze. The search query being bronze. The graph visualization shows the artworks across the museums made by bronze. That's it. That's the end of the demonstration. Thanks for listening.